Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Garden with me, Simon, and our final one in our Back to Basics series. The secret to a great garden, it's not the seeds, it's not the sunshine, it's the soil. It's always the soil. Soil is the beating heart of your garden. It's where everything begins. So let's start with soil types. Now there's clay. That's heavy, sticky when wet, hard when dry, nutrient rich but drains poorly. There's the sandy one, which is light, quick draining but low in nutrients. You may have silty soil, smooth texture, holds moisture better than sand, but it can compact. Then there's loam. Now that's the ideal mix. Balanced texture, good drainage and nutrient retention. To find out, you can try the squeeze test. So moisten a handful of soil and squeeze it. Clay sticks together, sand falls apart, loam holds but crumbles slightly. Then there's pH levels, so I'm going to get all scientific on you now. Acidic soil, so that's pH less than 6, suit rhododendrons, blueberries and heathers. There's alkaline soils, which is a pH over 7, they suit brassicas and some bulbs. And most vegetables prefer a neutral soil, so pH between 5 and 7. Improving soil is a lifelong process. The best thing you can add is organic matter. Homemade compost, well-rotted manure or leaf mould all improve texture, drainage and the fertility of your soil. You can also use green manures or rotate crops to avoid nutrient depletion. And I'd recommend you test your soil annually to see what it needs. Now, a healthy soil means healthy plants and fewer pests and diseases, and we all want that, right? So that wraps up our Back to Basics series. I hope it's given you some fresh insight or a solid grounding to build from. And if you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and obviously don't forget to subscribe. I've got plenty more growing and there's plenty more stuff I want to share with you. So as always, thank you for watching and I shall see you very soon.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. And please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.